Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we need to use about polar coordinates. So I will put about x equals to r cosine theta, y equals to r sine theta. And now if we have x squared plus y squared, that is from here. So I will put this one going here and this one going here. That is equal to r squared cosine theta squared plus r squared sine theta squared. So we have r squared. We can do about factorization. This one equals to number 1. So we have r squared. Next, we have dy dx. So we need to change by r dr d theta. Now we need to consider about the bounds. So we see that we have dy. That means y between number 0 and the square root of 9 minus s squared. So we need to consider about this one. So we put the power 2 for the both sides. And we have like this. Now we put this one go to the left. So if we look carefully about this one, we have the formula of the circle. That is about s minus a to the power of number 2 plus y minus b to the power of number 2 equals to capital R squared. The center of this one, that is about AB. And the radius, that is about r. So if we look on this one, we can see that the center, that is about 0 0. The radius, that is about number 3, because number 9, that is about 3 square. Now we need to graph about the circle. And now the circle, that should be like this. So we have number 3, negative number 3, negative number 3. Now if we look on the bounds of ds and dy, ds, that is from 0 to number 3. So from 0 to number 3, that is about this one in here. And the bounds of y is greater than or equal to number 0 and smaller than this one. So the region of this one, that should be about here. Because from 0 to the square root of 9 minus s squared in this one. However, about s, they just start from 0 to number 3. That's why we have this region in here. And now we need to change the new double integrals. So x squared plus y squared we change by r squared in here. Dy dx we change by r dr d theta. This one we have the R, so we have from 0 to number 3. That is about the radius of the circle, d theta. We can see that we start at number 0 and we stop at b over 2. This one we simplify and we have like this. So we can simplify it, and we have R to the power of number 4. So the integration of R to the power of number 4, we have the formula in here. So we have number 4, so we put number 4 going here. 4 plus 1, we have number 5. So we put number 3 going here, number 0 going here. So we have 3 to the power of 5 over 5 minus 0 to the power of 5 over 5. This one we calculate and we have 243 over 5. And we have the integration from 0 to b over 2. So this one we calculate and we have theta, and we put the bounds from 0 to b over 2. Now I will put this one going here and number 0 going here. And we have the final answer. That is about 243 over number 10b. This is the end. Thank you for watching.